morning, guys. Candace B here. It is a little after 8 a.m. in the morning on Friday, March 27th. And we are up. We are up bright and early. I've been up for a few hours. I already did my stretches. And then I watched the Wix Don't Lie Forex YouTube live stream that I do often, a couple times per week. And so it's been a pretty chill morning. Have quite a few things to do today. It's Friday, a little bit gloomy outside. I have not left my house in a while. I think the only time I left my house this week was just to get my car serviced. But other than that, I have been in my house, self-isolating. I hope you guys are all self-isolating as well. And I hope you guys are healthy. But seriously, take this serious, guys. I know people are saying everyone has different opinions on it, but just take it seriously. I do have to leave the house today. It's kind of giving me anxiety. I'm very much a homebody, and I love just being home. I can do it every single day. But I do have to leave the house because I have to go to my workplace, my 9 to 5, to pick up some things. I've been off this week on vacation time, but they've approved us to work from home. Thank goodness, because my workplace is deemed an essential service. I work in the insurance industry, car and home insurance, stuff like that. So we are an essential service, so we still have to work, and it's a blessing that I'll be able to work from home. I've never worked from home before. In terms of my 9 to 5, I've always gone into an office. So that'll be interesting, but I have a full setup already because my mom, she works for the same company as me in a different sector, and she's way higher up. She's been with that company for a while. She already works from home. Well, she made that transition already, so she already has the whole setup, so it'll be fun. I'll be basically working with my mom, sitting beside her and stuff. She's excited about that because she loves me. I love her too, but yeah, so it'll be cool. I guess I'm just happy I'll be able to stay home. So yeah, back to what I was saying. So I have to go. I'm going early to catch my manager, get the laptop that they're giving us, all my stuff, all my resources. My goal is to avoid people. My goal is to, when the elevator comes, be the only person in the elevator, cover my, I have anxiety, guys. I literally, just thinking about it, it's a lot, but we're going to make it. We're going to be safe, and we're going to, of course, disinfect every chance that we get. I have my Lysol wipes in my car. I have hand sanitizers, we good. So after that, I'm going to run and get gas at Costco gas station because, it's 50 cents right now. So why would I not get gas? I'm gonna get gas, okay? I don't even need gas and I'm gonna get it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get gas. And then what else do I have to do? This is why I have to write things down, because it's just my brain don't work. Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple things. I'm always just on the World Wide Web looking for different side hustles to start up, just always researching information, keeping up with the news, keeping up with different things. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking to see if I can start another little side hustle. I love to hustle. We hustling over here, so I'm gonna see what cool things I could find. Probably gonna eat. It's gonna be a chill day. I may or may not trade, just because it's Friday. So yeah, I might just chill later. And because I can't see my girls, usually we have a girls' night on Fridays. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have a virtual turn up. So I don't know if you guys have been noticing on Instagram, if you have Instagram, but different DJs, different artists, they've been having these Instagram parties. So on Wednesday night, we were watching this this local DJ from Toronto, a reggae DJ. And it was lit. I was like, what? Because at first I'm like, this is so dumb. We're going to stay in our house, be on a group chat, and then just watch this Instagram live. No, it was actually popping. So it's so funny. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I guess again, there's this slow jam party that in real life in Toronto, it's a really big party. It's called That Slow Jam Party, but they've gone virtual. So we're gonna tune into that, have a little drink in my cup and then vibe out. So yeah, we're chilling on Friday. I'm not doing too much, but still being productive. And that is the goal, is you don't need to do too much, but you can still be productive. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly make some tea and then look at the charts and then yeah, go from there. Alright, so as you can see, I have a little concept going on. Gold, I mapped this out from last night. So, you know, 1 pip stop loss. And then the take profit I basically set in this kind of construction area, this traffic area. So yeah, I haven't taken the trade yet, but I think I might enter. Yeah, it's looking pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in. Yeah, these are red candles and then these are green ones. So yeah, it's looking pretty bearish. Basically, I'm looking to see that it gets to the 1606 area. But again, it's Friday, so we'll see. Really, the reasoning for my bias that it's going to the downside is when I go to the higher time frame. When I go to the 4 hour, a lot of people might think, okay, well, it's creating, you know, this area, it probably wants to go up. Well, what I did was I looked left and I saw this huge bearish area, this huge area where when price comes up to it, it pushes down hard. So when it came up to here, it did it. And if you can see, it kind of created this, price created this like double bottom area. And again, this is on the 4 hour. So this is more, I guess I would say, I personally say accurate. It's stronger basically. So if you can see, price kind of came down, created this double bottom and then pushed up, and then it came right back to this kind of major area. And what you can see is that it again rejected it. So then when I go down to the lower time frame, I see kind of this descending channel. So obviously I probably won't be able to draw it perfectly, but if you see, there's kind of this like descending, you can see this kind of descending channel here with price. So yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking at. Oh, this is amazing. Lemon ginger tea, guys. So I just want to talk to you guys a little bit in terms of just what's been going on and trading Forex while in self-isolation. So I know a lot of traders I've been seeing kind of on the internet, and I've just been kind of hearing a lot of traders will be like, and mind you, these are experienced traders, they'll be like, oh, if you're not making money in the markets right now, then, you know, I don't know what you're doing. I kind of disagree with that. I definitely agree, however, that there are many, many opportunities going on because of everything that's been happening. So these last couple of weeks have been like really lucrative for a lot of people. But I disagree in the sense where it's just kind of like, oh, if you're not making money. My whole thing is that it kind of comes down to mindset. A lot of people are stressed right now. A lot of people are confused and disarray because they don't know what's going on. They don't know what's going to be going on in the future. And every single day, something new happens. Like literally, I just found out that Boris Johnson has it. So that is like, you know, everyone is just kind of realizing that no one's immune to it. And that's stressing a lot of people out. So my whole thing is like, don't be afraid to scale back on your trading. You don't need to, just because everything's going on crazy and the markets are very volatile, does not mean that you have to be in a trade just to be in a trade. You don't have to, you know, trade as much as you were before. If you mentally don't feel comfortable, if you're mentally a bit confused, just chill out, you know, take your time. The markets will be there after this all blows over. You know, I get a lot of DMs from people saying, oh, you know, I lost my job, I want to start trading, how can I do this? And I'm just like, okay, my question is, are you trading because now you have time, or are you trading because, you know, you're a bit low on cash and you think that this is a get rich quick scheme? Because this is not a get rich quick scheme. And if that's your mindset, this would be the worst time to trade Forex if that is your mindset, because it's too volatile. There are too many things going on in the market, and it's just kind of like, don't even try, because the market will make sure that you realize that it's not a get rich quick scheme. But my whole thing is take care of your mental health first, take care of your foundation, your home base first, don't worry about the markets. They will be there regardless. And there will be many, 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 many thousands of opportunities regardless of what is going on. So yeah, just take care of your mental health. If you are stressing out right now with everything going on, just take care of your situation first. Don't worry about Forex. It'll be there. I would say, if anything, just start to slowly learn, but don't be so quick to be like, oh, I need to go live. Like, just chill. If you just for 2 weeks have been looking at the charts, like, you don't need to go live. Like, take your time. And this is coming from someone who does struggle with mental health issues here and there. I have to mentally be aware when I'm having like a mental health situation or a mental health day, and try my hardest to get myself out of that. And a lot of times I've traded when mentally I was not there, and you already know that that led to a lot of money being lost. And it's simply just because I thought, no, I have to trade. I have to do it now. Even though mentally I was not healthy, I still felt the need to trade, and it just made it worse. Obviously, like when I was losing all that money, that just made my mental health decrease even more. So I'm just saying, for you guys who are, I'm so sad that people are losing their jobs and whatnot right now, and just, losing their foundation, what they have known for so long. But I'm just saying, like, don't, just chill, take your time for a second, and don't be too hasty. But what do I know? I'm just a random girl. But anyways, it's a little after 8:30. I think we should head out right now because I don't want to wait much longer to, get my stuff. So we are about to go on the road. So let's go. So I am bringing this with me right now just to spray things down. And I have my Lysol wipes in the car. So let us go. Guys, this is like my first time being outside in a couple days, and I'm scared. I feel like I haven't been outside in so long. Like, this is kind of weird feeling, but yeah. The roads are absolutely dead. Like, usually, even if it's on a Friday, there are a lot more people on the road right now. Okay, guys, just got to work, and as you can see, nobody's in the parking lot. So yeah, we're not staying for long. I'm just gonna grab my stuff and run back down. And I already have one of my wipes just to open the doors with, and let's just go. Just pray for me, guys. Pray. And I'm back. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. Like, you can tell everyone's on edge up there in the office. I have a whole bunch of stuff. I have like a monitor to set up. I have like a laptop case, everything. They gave me everything. So shout out to my 9-to-5 company for providing that. It is a blessing for me to even have the option to work from home. I never knew it was going to be an option. But yeah, so it's just a lot because someone on one of the floors in my building tested positive just the other day. So since then, it's been insane. Literally, when I went up there, I was scared to take any elevator. I brought my wet wipes as much as I could, wiped out anything I came in contact with. It's so hard to not touch things, to social distance. I came back and I just sprayed everything down with my Lysol wipes. I play like, there's just so much you could like to do. And when I get home, I have to literally like throw all my clothes in my laundry basket, wash my hands, not touch anything until I do that, and then go back and wipe all my doors down that I touched, my steering wheel, my clutch, everything. Like, it's a lot, and everyone's on edge, and it's getting intense, and I'm feeling it. And I'm honestly just praying that this is a learning lesson for all of us. I know it's going to be a hard one, but we need to keep clean, keep sanitary. The reason why this happened is because there was a lack of sanitation. There was lack of cleanliness, and it became a global crisis. So we're about to just go to Costco right now. Again, going to have to make sure I have my Lysol wipe. Either way, this is the thing, right? I don't even touch those pumps anyways. Like, I always have my Lysol wipes, but even more now, you don't know who is doing what, touching what. So I'm gonna just go and do that, and then we'll see from there. I really just, like, when I get like stressed, I want to emotionally eat, and now I want to like get snacks just to like stack up, because I am not leaving my house again for at least the next week or so, and I want to just like have snacks prepared. So we might go to Walmart. It depends on my anxiety. Like, I don't know how it's gonna look when we get there. Like, I've heard at Costco you have to be separated a certain amount. They only let you in, like, you're waiting outside. If that's the case, I'm not gonna go. But if that's the case with Walmart, but But yeah, let's just go now. I'm like getting anxious, so I just want to get my quick gas. It's probably going to be a lineup by now because it's 9:30, but yeah, we shall see. Alright guys, so I'm back. I got gas and I'm just annoyed because first of all, I'm happy that the gas station was completely empty for once at Costco, especially with the price being so low. I think everyone's just getting used to the price. But the man behind me, yes, he was far behind me, but no, he was still not that far. I hear him cough, so I turned and I could have sworn the man did not have his hand over his mouth. This is the problem. Like, you need to know that coughing like this is mandatory. Like, that's why just staying in your house is the best thing to do right now, because that is the only safe place. Literally, that's the only safe place. Literally was able to fill up my tank on $10.50. Like, come on, guys. And it was at like, that's the kilometers, so it filled up to 548 kilometers. I think it goes to like 560 top, but I didn't want to keep like pressing the button. But yeah, like my gas was at 240 kilometers. So I got a whole 300 kilometers for $10.50 at Costco gas station because it's 57 cents right now. So we lit in Canada, obviously. But anyways, guys, I'm just going to run to Walmart and get some snacks because I was thinking, you know, obviously I don't have an appetite right now, but like if I were to go home and then have to come back out, like that's too much going in and out. I'd rather just get everything I need to get like right now, go in my house, sanitize everything, and then I can just stay home. So that's what we're gonna do. I hope I don't like snap in Walmart right now, because I'm the type of person like, oh, I might need this for later. I might want this. So I might just like get a bunch of stuff. I'm stocking up. I might bring you guys in with me. Yeah, we'll see. Let's go. Hopefully it's not busy. So yeah, let's go. All right, guys. So we just pulled up to Walmart. And even though there's not that many people here, there's still a few. So I feel very anxious to go inside. So I'm not going to bring you guys with me. I'll just show you what I have when I come back. But yeah, I'm just going to run in and out like.
A few moments later.
Bruh. That was a mission. I have no words. Again, people are so foolish. So yeah, I respect Walmart for trying to implement social distancing. They have one entrance that we can go through, even though there's two. They say only go through the one. They have the barricades set up. You go inside, whatever. People are still not practicing social distancing because people are walking all up in the way. I'm there trying to move through and like, it's just like move. And then when I went to check out, so I got a bunch of snacks, whatever, unhealthy. Don't judge me. I don't care. This is emotionally eating. And obviously I'm not going to eat it all at once. This is for like the next month that I'm stacking up for just in case. And, when you go to the checkout line, then you see a bunch of like lines where it's like you're supposed to stand, and then it's slower because they have every other self-checkout line open, just so again they're social distancing. And then of course there's the one lady at the self-checkout who should not be at the self-checkout because she does not know what she's doing. She should be in the regular line having someone scan the items for her. Every time calling over the one lady who's trying to help, and that lady was getting annoyed because it's just like, all you have to do is scan the item. It's all you have to do. She was so ahead of me. She was at least like 8 people ahead of me. I was able to get through. She was still there. I got through the line. I checked out all before she was able to leave. Like, she's still there probably. And then she's there with her scarf and her gloves on. But then she's there touching up her face, touching up the scarf. It's like you're touching the buttons on the screen and then you're touching your face. Like, there's no correlation. There's no, sense that people have. Like, Have some sense. Don't touch your face just because you have gloves on. Don't touch your face. You're touching things and then you're going to touch your scarf. Bro, I have zero patience on a regular day. So imagine now. But anyways, I'm happy I got my stuff. I got some like Doritos, some goldfish, some ramen, like just struggle meals, some candy. I did spray down everything already, but we're going to go and do true disinfecting. And then we're just gonna chill and then figure out what next to do. Alrighty, people, I am home. And as you can see, I got a bunch of stuff here. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe everything down. Even though I did spray it, I just wanna wipe stuff like this down. Obviously my phone, wipe that bad boy down. We're gonna wipe down my bag. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Somebody. Happy birthday to you. So I just warmed up a little bit of fries and a little bit of salmon, but can we please just take a moment to appreciate how well seasoned both the salmon and the fries are? Like, oh my gosh, this looks so good. So just a quick update while I'm just setting up my laptop that my job gave me. I did take a buy on GJ. Let me just try to... So this was another pair that I was watching in the meantime. The good thing is that, you know, the spread for GJ is not bad at all right now. So that's really what's keeping me looking at GJ. So as you can see, just simple higher low, higher high structure, like simply just that. And so I had entered on a retest, and stop loss is now in profit, 0.07 lot. Yeah, and this is a smaller account. So with me, I try to work, especially on Fridays, if I do trade, I try to work from smaller accounts for whatever reason. I don't know, like for me, it makes it easier for me to be more disciplined. So what I'll do is I'll take some profits and I'll fund an account, $50, $100, and I will use small lot sizes and I will try to grow that account. I feel like it's helpful because it helps me just to really be specific, really wait. It helps me to be disciplined. It helps me to wait for those best setups because I know that it's a small account and that it can technically easily be blown. So I have to make sure that, you know, I put my stop loss into profits right away. I'm still using that risk management. Usually I'll use about a 2% risk. And then I will just put my stop loss and profits right away as soon as possible. And then I'll just try to grow it. And then once I do that, then I withdraw the funds and kind of keep going from there. So yeah, again, whatever works for you guys. And just a question, like, you know, this is almost $50. What would you guys do with $50? For me, that's gas for a month. My gas literally is $40 per month. So that's gas for a month. That's half of my phone bill. That's miscellaneous money. So again, perspective, guys. A lot of people think that when you're trading Forex, you have to be, you know, making hundreds and hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars a day. 50 to $100 every other day. That adds up. That adds up, guys. Trust me when I say that it adds up. So whatever works for you, works for you. And again, if you're just doing this to supplement your income, I work a 9 to 5 still, and you know, my goal of course is financial freedom and time freedom. That is what I'm working at every single day. But I know that it's a process. I know that it takes time, and there's no shame in working a 9 to 5 to get to your goals. My 9 to 5 funds my passions, and I'm at a point where, you know, my other incomes are now almost taking over my 9 to 5 job. So that is the goal. You want to create multiple income streams so that if one isn't working, or if one is falling off, let's say because of what's going on right now in the world, then you have the other ones to pick up. That's my perspective, my point of view on, how I want to attain financial freedom. With Forex, there's no rush. It starts with $50, then it goes to $100, then it goes to $150, $200. Take your time and the money will come. If you get the skill down, if you are disciplined with your risk management and just being patient and waiting for the right setups, trust me, the money will flow. It's a byproduct. It'll inevitably be a result of you just being disciplined and sharp and studying and making sure that you just work hard and focus on learning the skill. So I'm watching this video right now, Falcon FX. I don't know if you guys have heard of Mark, but he owns Falcon FX. It's a Forex group, and he does weekly YouTube videos. They're very, very informative. I definitely suggest you guys check them out. It's real. So I did exit the market, and as you can see, it was at $70. Now it's at $121, and I'll just show you just like the trades I took on GBP today. So I'm always saying, don't underestimate the power of small lot sizes. And that is a clear example. $50 from very small lot sizes, 0.02, 0.03. That just goes to show you how scalable, the market is.
Start this kind of business for myself.
So now
Am
we
I
are
saying
watching
it's a quick fix, it's
Sunny
gonna happen overnight?
Lenarduzzi.
No,
She's
but can you
literally
do it
giving
and
out
can
free
you be
game right now.
profitable?
How to start an
Absolutely.
online business and scale
So,
it.
super excited to dive into this with you guys today.
So I am in my basement now, all comfy, and I'm about to watch a movie with my parents. I'm having a whole party.
It's not my fault that I did all this, bro.
I know, man. You grew up with Drake. That's a great position to have in life.
It's not my fault, bro.
But yeah, guys, I'm just going to enjoy the rest of my night. It's after midnight, so I'm just gonna vibe out, maybe have a little drinky drink, you feel me? But yeah, this is like my element. Like, I am such an introvert, and just listening to music and vibing out by myself is my element. But yeah, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, definitely go ahead and leave a like and comment down below. Let me know what has been your routine lately during this time. And yeah, I would love to know how you guys are just using your time wisely and spending your days inside. And also, don't forget to subscribe so you know when I post another video. And of course, in the meantime, feel free to watch any of my other videos. That would be awesome. But yeah, guys, I hope you have a great night, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!